who doesn't love a delicious thick cut steak? And some incredibly delicious, tender, juicy chicken thighs, all in a delicious bourbon sauce.
It's surf and surf.
It's turf and turf.
Turf and...
It's shake and bake.
And I helped. What's going on, guys? My name is CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over here is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And right over there is, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a copycat bourbon chicken. You know, the kind you've had in the mall before?
Yeah.
I did this like 3 years ago. But I'm gonna be doing this a little...
yourself?
I'm copying myself.
It's like Inception.
And I'm adding steak. And it's gonna be better. So everybody grab something to drink. It's interactive television. When the bell rings, we sip. See you inside. Now, like I said, I did this recipe before. I did it years ago. Actually, it's been like a hot minute since we have revisited said recipe.
I like that you're copycatting yourself.
I hadn't made this in so long, and it just sounded delicious. And I was thinking, I wanted steak, and I wanted chicken. So why not just incorporate the best of both worlds? If you know what I'm talking about. This guy knows what I'm talking about.
Okay. Well, we gotta get going.
Nope, he doesn't. So today we're gonna season pretty, I would say, vanilla.
Vanilla?
I'm not using any like specific Blackstone seasoning. I'm just gonna be doing salt and coarse pepper, and we're gonna be doing some garlic powder. Garlic powder, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to make a wicked crust on whatever protein you're working on. It color and flavor. It's a pretty special gig right over here, man. Normally I use steakhouse with my steaks, but
today...
today...
You're doing steak first?
Yeah.
You don't want it like medium or medium rare?
I'm gonna get it there. I'm gonna pull it off before the chicken.
Oh.
Or the chicken might get done before the steak.
Oh, okay. You know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Everybody
knows. Now I know, because you taught me.
And if you don't know, now you know.
I think it's time we did a little something. We've got a minute here.
Okay.
I think we did a little something by ringing in the new crew.
Nice.
We've got some new subscribers. If this is your first time watching, do us a solid. Like it, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you are, and then you'll get a shout out just like old Lucy.
Hey, Lucy.
8782. She's a noob, or he's a noob.
100% of her brain?
Maybe. Medicinal Mom. What's up? So glad that you're here. And Sergeant Sapper.
Hey, Sergeant Sapper.
There we are. Let's bring it. For the new viewers, the new crew, glad you guys are here. We'll be back. Now, if one were so inclined, you could use chicken breast, but don't be inclined. Chicken thighs is the way to go because it's fatty, it's juicy, and you can actually cook them longer. Actually, the longer you cook them, kind of the more that fattiness breaks down, and they still stay tender. But one thing you cannot,
there's a larger window for success.
One thing you cannot do is go sirloin.
Oh.
Don't do that. That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea.
A bad idea.
Like I said, this is a copycat. I spent many a day in the mall. I mean, did you ever go to the mall growing up?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Not
Going to the mall was...
a treat.
It was a treat, dude.
It was trust. It was independence.
Yeah, going to Spencer's and just looking at all the cool toys.
Found it at Spencer Gifts.
Going to KB Toy Store.
Store.
Yeah, I know. Then going to the candy shop, like where you could like scoop out your own candy.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah,
that was
dude.
Great.
Like for whatever reason.
No, I was an arcade kid.
It was awesome, but it's a lot more expensive.
You have to figure out how long you could walk around, or like how long in between walking around the food court to get free samples.
Oh, dude, good call. But it was no matter what, it was like that mall rat experience.
I love the smell of commerce in the morning.
Is mall going
in the best
like
era.
Still a thing?
Are there still malls?
No, it's not really a thing, is it? All right, so as I'm cruising here, I've got some soy sauce, I've got some ginger garlic powder, and some crushed red pepper. Be as liberal with the red pepper as you like. I personally like a lot of the heat. We've got... Oh, dude, I can't believe I actually forgot something.
What?
Red wine vinegar.
I got it for you.
No, you didn't.
I did.
I gotta make the
Wow, that's a first.
20 minutes later.
And we're back. Okay. Yes, I forgot the red wine vinegar.
Yeah.
You want to make sure that you get plenty of sauce because this is going to reduce down. You don't want to have a dry bourbon chicken. That just doesn't make any sense.
Surf and surf. I can't believe I said surf and surf.
It's because you're an idiot.
No, it's not. That's not.
So check it out. We got to make a slurry. Have you ever heard of a slurry, Andy?
Nope.
Well, now you can no longer say you've never heard of a slurry. Nate, why don't you tell us what a slurry is?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm an idiot.
That was a good callback.
Thanks.
All right, so a slurry is we're going to take some cornstarch and some water, and we're going to mix this together. That's going to give us kind of the viscosity that we're looking for. It's going to thicken up our sauces and allow them to glaze a little quicker and easier.
Accurate on all fronts.
Well, thank you. See,
You added too much water, but that's fine.
no,
Well, it's going to
We'll
take longer
see.
to cook out.
it's okay. It's going to reduce down. It'll reduce. It'll reduce.
See, learning from the pros, everybody. TJ knows what he's talking about.
See, look at that. I don't know what you're
Don't
talking
worry
about.
about what the comment section says.
All right, let's go. No, you know what? Our steak is good. Our chicken's good. I'm gonna move them over. Let's add some bell peppers and some onions.
Onion.
I've got some red and green bell peppers. You know what, dude?
Wow, I just got a whiff of that sauce.
We're gonna cook these in the
Smells really
fat
good.
that's going on over here.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Dude, all the aromas just started happening.
Oh yeah, that's where the game starts changing, buddy. Add a little bit of olive oil. Keep this cruising. And you gotta season with some salt and pepper.
Vanilla, very vanilla. It's weird that you called it vanilla.
Well, you know, oftentimes I use a lot of really cool seasonings, and this we're gonna just get a nice base. It's a base seasoning for all of our sauces.
Don't roll your eyes at the ice capades.
What was that? What is that from?
Don't roll your eyes at the ice capades. They were very cool.
Yeah, dang it. What movie is that?
Oh, well.
Well,
And don't roll your eyes about the ice capades. It was a very good living. I just want to point that out.
oh man, that's right. That's right. Okay, so we're gonna need a few minutes. We're gonna come back when the chicken and the steak is done. Give it a chance to rest. In the meantime, I also need a little rest.
A little? Hey, speaking of little, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that there's something called the Micro Wrestling Federation, and it is micro wrestling. It's little people wrestling, and I actually ended up going to see one of them. That's where I got this awesome shirt.
Pretty awesome.
It's actually, it's kind of really cool. They also have a show. What?
Not as cool as them shorts.
Screw you guys.
Okay, that's it. Screw you guys. I'm going home.
They also have a show on Discovery called Big Little Brawlers.
Okay.
That just started coming out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Any relation to the Micro Machines?
No?
Dude, give it up for the late 80s, early 90s with Micro Machines.
This is the Micro Machine Man presenting the most midget miniature motorcade of Micro Machines.
Okay.
I don't even know what he says.
Nah,
job, Ethan.
nobody could know. Good job, E.
Proud of you, bud.
I wouldn't go that far.
He's special.
We're gonna go ahead and pull our steak off first. It's looking really good. We got a nice crust. I don't want to overcook it. Chicken thighs take a little bit longer than the steak because we're not going for a medium rare. You definitely want to have your chicken all done. Let's pull that off. Everything has had time to rest. Give it a nice slice, and we're gonna go into bigger bites here. We don't want
they're pretty big.
like itty bitty little nuggets. We want kind of a larger.
It's like a generous experience at the mall. A big nugget.
Exactly. But dude, I was thinking about the mall more just as we're standing here.
Yeah.
Arcades, bro.
I know,
Remember
I
when
miss them.
arcades were so cool?
I was an arcade kid. What were? They still are cool.
Well, yeah, they are.
You can't find them.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually,
If
isn't
you
there
do,
a-
they're like
there's a-
$1.50 to play an arcade game.
No.
Which is it's freaking bananas.
Didn't they just open a barcade in Tampa? I haven't gone.
If they haven't, if they did, that's a good idea. All right, dude, sauce time. Now you don't want to use all of it at once. We want to allow time for it to glaze. Oh yeah. Get that cruising around. Oh, dude, we're starting to get color.
All the aromas though.
This is fun. Hey, should we do it?
What? What are we doing?
Should we do it?
It scares me.
What are we doing?
Should we do it?
What are we doing?
One shudders to imagine what inhuman thoughts lie.
Just gonna do it. We're kicking with bourbon.
I like that.
One dreams of chronic and sustained cruelty.
Do this. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. Not necessary, but fun.
Yeah, they do it at the mall all the time.
Yeah, this is totally a pro mall move. Woo!
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, boy.
Also reminds me of being 12 and being enamored by fire.
Dude, it never gets old, man. All right, let's do our last glazing here. This is
Whoa. Whoa.
Woo. We're gonna get extra glazing. Some might say extra stuffing.
That little acidity, the vinegar, what a great aroma.
Oh God, I love it. So good, dude. All right, you know what? Let's go ahead and pull this and plate it.
I like it. Okay. All right.
Yeah. See, dude, it thickened as we went, and I'm gonna take a little bit with it.
The juice?
Juice is good. Very good.
So good.
The use. And that, my friends, is how you get it done.
Dang.
Let's come over here. We gotta clean the plate because it's silly to not.
You did the living room, I'll start the kitchen. Go!
This is it, my friends. Think arcades. Think Spencer's gift shop that you're not allowed to go in. Think ice cream or candy shop with your boyfriend or girlfriend.
Dude, are you even cleaning? What?
It really isn't working very well. Watch this.
What?
That's better. When your food is done, you need a second for the food to cool off, or else you're gonna burn your mouth and you're gonna hate yourself. So while your food is cooling off, take a second, just go ahead and clean your griddle. It's very, very simple. We use some brown sugar, and you're gonna see there's a lot of gunk stuck to this.
Soy too.
This is also brand new, all right? We just got this out, just finished seasoning it, so this is our first time cooking on it. This is so simple. A little bit of water, and by little, I mean a lot of bit of water. You'll start to see the steam releasing all that junk and that gunk.
Oh yeah, the
Let it
color
do it
of the
for just
water
a second
changes.
and start moving it out.
Easy peasy.
You'll need to spray it a few times in different spots, and you'll know it's clean when you spray down water, and all you see is crystal clear, white, so fresh and so clean. Yeah, it's
That's
nice.
rough.
Add a little bit of oil to keep it hydrated, and you're on your way to your next fabulous cook. It's a flavor extravaganza. That's what we got going here. Key ingredient, key step is letting that sauce reduce. Don't put it on there, stir, or pull it off. Give it a second to let it reduce.
It's not light it on fire.
Well, I mean, you can light it on fire.
That's fun. Be careful if you do that.
Yeah, but it's fun. You should do it.
It's fun. Also, key ingredient, bite your fork with your teeth as often as possible.
It's a key ingredient in every episode.
It hurts me.
It's money. The onions have had time to caramelize. They get soft. Bell peppers. Try this at home. Live the nostalgic life of the mall life. Let me know how I did. Would you eat it?
Yeah.
Would you take a free sample at the mall from me?
Yes.
Perfect answer.
One every hour.
Leave it in the comments below. But speaking of comments,
You made it.
it's time. It's ready for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad you guys hung with us to see that delicious recipe, but now it is time to venture into the place we like to call Comments of the Week.
Delicious
This is where
comments.
we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
That we do.
Because if you guys write it,
We read it.
That's right, and we get to share it with everybody. So here we go, starting from the top. This is from the real Bob Basher.
Hey, okay. I know where this is going.
He says, not even 30 seconds in and you're ringing that GD bell. I'm out.
Wow.
So there's that.
Bob Basher.
Here's the
such a
thing.
clever name.
Here's the thing. It's the intro. We ring the bell to segue to start cooking. So you're always going to hear the bell in the first 30 to 45
It's
seconds.
not if we overuse the bell.
Why would we overuse the bell?
I don't know.
An occasional bell. Never hurt anybody.
I agree.
There we go.
Here's to you, the real Bob Barker. All right, this comes in from William Johnson. Not cool, William.
William Johnson.
Wallace. I've caught myself fast forwarding sometimes.
Okay. That's it?
That's it.
Well, that's not the end of the world.
They don't want to watch the show.
No, they want to watch 70% of it.
No.
That's better than none. That's a C.
I don't want to be a C student.
C's get degrees, baby.
All right, this is from an oldie but goldie, our man Glenn Hauser.
Hey, Glenn.
Glenn
Haven't seen you in a
says,
while.
it's been a minute, says, when the camera panned over, Ethan flared up like one of those kangaroos that's about to kick a human's butt.
He
Can you
did.
give it to us?
Let it go, Tonks. Let's go.
You guys got to see the original reference. It's so funny. Glenn, good to see you, buddy. We
Yeah, you
missed
too.
you. Welcome back to the party. This is a nice one. This is from Lisa Wood.
Hey, Lisa.
Lisa Wood says, love...
got his license, Lisa.
Love your videos. Just saying, sometimes it's the highlight of the day.
Aw, thanks, Lisa.
Thanks, Lisa.
It's like we made you in a computer or something.
She's beautiful, Gary. This is from Jajoa.
Jajoa.
Yeah, it says, I absolutely love elote, and I'm definitely
Yeah.
going to make these. Great show, CJ.
Yeah. Jajoa knows.
I'm just saying.
I was trying. Did you say L-O-K? Wow.
Survey says... Magpack says, longtime CJ follower, but after watching this vid, is this CJ's first cooking show or Nate's?
Whoa.
Nate, you really need to chill on the
What
commentary.
episode are you talking
This
about?
is not about
It's like
you.
every single
CJ,
episode
you
we
have
do
the
that.
right ingredients. Use your
Occasionally I step
recipe
in
to
to
make
help a
yourself
little bit.
stand out. You have the
Occasionally I try to
talent
help a
and
friend
the
out 'cause I know
personality.
he has the
Just
potential.
say it!
Huh.
Greenbow, Alabama.
You should go home to Greenbow, Alabama!
Okay, this is from Andrew Haidt,
Andrew
spelled
Haidt.
with a H-A-I-G-T, like Hyatt. Haidt. It's from Andrew. It says, put me on the show. Ring that bell. Make some tacos. Party. I just heard Ace Ventura. Just put me in, coach. I'm ready.
I know there's a lot riding on it, but it's all psychological.
Oh, well, hey, Andrew, this is your moment to shine.
Andrew.
Welcome to the show.
Good to see you.
You made it.
We're there.
Thank guys.
Wow.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. We really appreciate it. It's a lot of fun. Hope you guys try this. If you do, take a photo, tag me on Instagram so I can share it and let everybody know how awesome you are for making this nostalgic, delicious
It's
recipe.
delicious. It was really
also, right back here's the OG board. If you want to, you could send us something just like Mama on the Griddle did.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Mama on the Griddle. She is killing it.
She's been crushing.
Just, we did an elote of hers, a Griddle Nation inspiration the other day. It was fantastic.
We gotta make room.
Gotta make some room, man.
Grohl's taking up a lot of space over
Yeah,
there.
he is. He always takes up space.
When's he coming on the show?
In our hearts. I don't know, dude.
Someday.
Let me,
See you, Grohl.
let me know when you're ready, bud.
Hey, Dave.
Later, dude. But that's it, my friends. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other things Blackstone. Go to griddlenation.com. Check out all the other shows on the network. But just remember one thing.
What?
If you're annoyed at this show,
Okay.
you shouldn't be. Because we
Why?
told you. It's where we cook.
And we quote.
So that's that.
Okay. All right. Been warned.
So come on, everyone, it's the day.